Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Printify to your Etsy store correctly in 2025. So this is the full guide by the way. Step 1. Install and open the Printify app from your Etsy app store. Step 2. Connect your Etsy shop by authorizing the access. Step 3. Design a product in Printify and publish it. And set the price and mockups whatever you like. Step 4. It will appear as a draft listing in Etsy. Edit the description, tags, and pricing. And step 5. Once it is approved, it will go live automatically. And step 6. When a customer orders, Printify will process it and sends tracking to Etsy. And that's it. Your Etsy and Printify stores are now working together smoothly and seamlessly. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.